Hi everyone, welcome to Rahul and Jayashree Association Company. My name is Advocate Rahul Kumar Singh. We'll be discussing today the career options after law. What are the career options available to law students after law? Okay, first preference is that you can work in a public sector, means a government sector. Public means government, public sector. You can work as an legal advisor in different departments, like government department. That can be, like example, in any department you can go, like in education, health. There needs a legal advisor. So in legal advisor post you can work. Okay, if you clear a judge exam, you will become a judge. So judge exam is conducted by the respective state public service commission, so you can become a judge. Then you can be a law officer in any public sector. Okay, means you can advise different departments as a law officer. Okay, then the most important, as you know, it is assistant public prosecutor. This exam is also conducted by a public service commission. Assistant public prosecutor means you will work as an, you can say, as a government advocate, assistant public prosecutor. Okay, this was regarding a public sector. Second is regarding private sector. So in private sector, what works can you do? You can work as an, in private sector you can work as an compliance officer. Okay, then you can work as an intellectual property lawyer. Means you can work in an intellectual property field to protect copyright, trademark, so this type of rights. Okay, and even you can work as a legal consultant. You can give consultations to the different private companies. This is in the private sector. Okay, then we are coming to the government services. What are the government services available? You can work in a legal services. Okay, you can work in the different departments of the government in the name of legislative department. Okay, or department of legal affairs. This is specific for the legal departments. You can work in that. Okay, in the name of government services. Fourth is you can work in different types of armed forces. They can work in the army, navy, and air force. They need advocates in their respective areas. So you can work, you can apply for them. You have heard about the name of the JAG, Judge and Advocate General. So you can apply in this type of positions in the, you can say, in army, navy, and air force also. They take government advocates. Okay, you can work as a consultation, or you can clear the exam and you can become part of the army, navy, and air force. Okay, fifth is legal researcher. You can work as a researcher in a different departments, like you can work for a different types of organizations, like any universities, any colleges, or you can work for the news channels. You can become a reporter in the news channels, and you can report regarding the legal matters. So you can become a legal reporter, you can become a case researcher, you can research regarding the cases. Okay, and you can go to any universities, and you can become a part of the research fields. Okay, this is regarding the legal researchers, fifth number point. And what are the other options to work as an, make an career in the legal department? Okay, you can work as an corporate counselor. Okay, corporate counselor means in a corporate field you are advising somebody. It is a corporate counselor. Most popular is advocate. You can practice independent career as an advocate. Okay, then is the legal aid lawyer. You can aid somebody. Legal aid lawyer also you can become. You can become in-house counsel. What is the work of in-house counsel? In-house counsel role is that you will look the company's internal matters. Okay, in the in-house counsels. Next is tax consultant. You can give consultation advice regarding GST and other types of taxes to your client or to the various departments, whether it is private or the government. So you can work as a tax consultant after a law degree. Then you can also work as a transfer pricing specialist. So you can give suggestions, or you can work as a transfer pricing specialist. Okay, and the other is that you can work as a tax advocate. You will look after the tax matter, and you will do advocacy in the litigation only for a tax matters. Tax means any type of tax. That can be GST. Okay, or that can be any types of matters which are related to money and the taxation. Okay. And after LLB, if somebody wants to continue in higher education and to become a professor, assistant professor, associate professor, and professor, so we sum up in these three categories, then you have to do, after LLB you have to do LLM, and after LLM you have to qualify UGC NET or respective SET exams in the state. Okay, then you will be qualified to become assistant professor. Okay, and if you do PhD, then you will get more perks, more salaries, and most universities take candidates in the higher education in the name of professors or assistant professor with the help of PhD degrees. Okay, so these all are the career options. Okay, so you can subscribe, like and share. You can join our groups and share to the maximum people so that I can get your support. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.